How to make or create a checklist in Google Keep. In order to do that, make sure that you open your Chrome browser and then you open a new tab. Then you navigate your mouse to Google Apps. Over here, you go ahead and select Keep. If you're not using a Chrome browser, you can then go ahead and then open a new tab and just type Google Keep in your search browser. Then you go ahead and select the first link that you see. Over here in Google Keep, you can disable the dark theme by just going to settings and then disable dark theme. And then if you want the dark theme, you enable it back. Now let's go ahead and then create our first checklist. To do that, make sure that you select new list and then you input a title for your list. I'd say task for Tuesday, enter, and then I would input my first task. Say wake up at 5 a.m., pray and read the Bible. Then I'll allocate a time, say 1 hour, and then AWS Cloud Practitioner course, say 2 hours, and then one more. I would have my lunch, so have lunch, say 30 minutes, and then we come back to cooking, new recipes. That would take us 1 hour 30 minutes. Then when we are done generating the list, we go ahead and change the background color. Let's say red. Then you can also add formatting options. When you select the formatting options, you can either give it a heading. Make sure that you place your cursor here. If it's the first heading, you select heading 1. Second heading, select heading 2. If you want normal text, you go with normal text. Then you go ahead and select your text. You can bold in it, you can make it italic, underline. When you're done, you can also add a reminder. So say remind me tomorrow, and then you can add collaborators. You can also add an image on top of your list. So you select image, go ahead and select add image, select the image, open. We wait for the image to be added for us. And then when you scroll down, you can see that we have the image first, and then we have the task for the day. And then in case you don't want the image, you go ahead and delete the image. So it says image deleted. You go ahead and refresh. We have our list over here. You can pin it, okay, so that you see it as the first thing. After pinning, you can move it here to the side and bring it back. Okay. In case you want to delete this checklist, you go ahead and select more, then you delete the note. Okay. If you have any questions, make sure that you leave a comment and I'll respond to them. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and then subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any other tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.